Winning product and ad strategies for e-commerce stores help your business have profit from day one. How can e-commerce companies get as many high-quality leads as this furniture retailer from day one with Facebook ads? Imagine you could hit sales the first day you opened a sales campaign. And profitable with ROAS, return on spend greater than equals 2 after the first month with our FB Plus product page content promotion strategy package for e-commerce stores. And lead to large annual sales, helping business owners increase sales and profits. As you can see, here is a furniture sales business that we did for him that was able to produce results on day one. And lead to large annual sales, helping business owners increase sales and profits. And here's how we help you do from market research. Create Facebook ad copy like video, article, and write product pages that convert. If you want to achieve your business goals for this month and the coming months, click the link in description to improve online sales results for your online store now. With this new promotional strategy pack, I can help you grow your e-commerce, dropshipping business.